Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I'm going to be doing a quick install video here of this new construction house project I did back over the summer in 2020 here. This area that we're setting on today is actually the master bathroom floor. I believe is around 100 square feet or so, plus or minus a little bit. And what I'm using here is a 12x24 porcelain. It's a calibrated tile, not a rectified. And what I'm using to install it is a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch trowel. Pretty much my standard go-to for large format tile installs when the floor is flat. Speaking of flatness of this floor, this is a new house, and just because it's new, it does not mean, well, you basically you can't assume that if the house is built new that things are going to be flat within standards. But you know what? This house actually was. The framers did a really good job. The floor is not level, you know, not perfectly level, but it's flat. So it was good enough for me to just set my membrane in the floor and then set my tile to that. So as far as that goes, that was that. What I was using to install the tile was Ramondi tile leveling system. This is pretty much my go-to. I get it locally. Now there's plenty of wedge style leveling systems out there. This is the original one. This is the one I like. It works for me. Use what works for you, but this is the one that I use. I really like it. I have no problems with it. And I didn't have any of the red 1/8 clips on this job, so what I did was I used the clear clips, and then I always keep like a small bucket of the broken clips around. Just want to use them as spacious as I can. So I used the clear clips to basically clip them together, and then red clips between them to use as my spacing. Doing it this way works fine, but it definitely takes some more time, you know, to install, because you got all these pieces you got to put in there. It just takes more time. So as far as time goes, you know, using leveling system, they try to sell you on the fact that it speeds up the install. Well, it speeds up the install a little bit as far as making sure the tiles are flat with each other, but overall, from my experience, you know, doing this for a living, it actually takes more time. But I don't have a problem with that personally, because the job's going to come out better. So whatever it takes to make the job good, last a lifetime, and not have any problems, I'm going to do it. But let's say you want to do a floor like this yourself. It's a small bathroom floor. Let's say you're a DIY person or a pro, whatever it is. You're definitely going to make things a lot quicker if you just do like you snap some lines like every 24 inches and you eye up the grout joints. That would be the fastest way to do it, but it's just not going to come out as flat as it would with a, you know, compare it to leveling system. So that's just the way that goes. You could use spacers, but like I said, if you want the job to be perfect, you use a leveling system. You make sure your floors are prepped nice and flat within industry standards, and you're going to be good. If you want to fly through it, then you use other method I was mentioning here. So that's really all I got here to speak about on this video. I'm just going to show you the rest of the clips here of, you know, installing this floor, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you watch my videos and you tune in, you know, a lot, and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, and when you're at it, hit the like button. And you know, if you want to know when my videos come out, it'd be great if you turn on the bell notification thing. That way, every time I put out a new video, you're gonna know when it drops. So as far as when I put out videos, usually it's once a week, even twice a week. Lately, I've been trying to aim for. It doesn't always happen with having a family and a business here, but I do make, you know, making videos here, you know, a big priority is mine. You know, it's family first, business, and then running the business, and then after that, it's basically making content for you guys to see what it really takes to install tile properly and renovate bathrooms. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you guys in the next one, and we'll go with that. Alrighty, Donnie D signing off.